Welcome to Miniature Medium. My name is Gabriel, and today we're going to discuss wet palettes. So I was at the dollar store the other day and saw the perfect items to make your own wet palette. For $3 in tax, but for $3 you can buy a roll of 20 square feet of parchment paper, a sandwich tub, and a pack of sponges. And that's what you need for a wet palette. Now let's get to the table and I'll show you how to set it up.
This is a really simple and cheap wet palette that you can make yourself. It's perfect for budgets or if you want to test having a cheap palette before getting or making a larger one. First thing that you will want to do is to cut the sponge to fit inside the container. In this case, 3 sponges is the perfect number. I would advise to rinse them. Some sponges do come with detergent, so just make sure to check the label. Next, cut the parchment paper to fit inside the container. I'm measuring out 5.5 inches square, but I really should have measured it at 5 inches square, as I did have to go back and trim it down later. One bonus to using this is a 20 square foot roll. That means you'll get 80 to 100 sheets to use with this wet palette based on my measurements, if I did my math right. Now for a quick test of the palette.